What is up, everybody? My name is Pretty Marie. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Follow me on Snapchat at Pretty Marie MUA. My Instagram is the same. I am going to be doing a eyeliner tutorial for you guys today using my favorite Tarte clay paint liner in the color black. Also, I'm going to be using the brush that came along with it. So to start off this tutorial, I'm going to be making a line from the corner of my eye, slanted up towards my eyebrow slightly. Please do that slant, guys. I hate to see the people that don't do it slanted and have it too straight out. It does not look good. But anyways, we're going to take that and bring it just from below the tip down towards the center of my eye. Just perfecting that line. Then I'm going to start to bring it out because I love my eyeliner to be long and dramatic. Then I'm just fixing up that bottom line because I didn't think that it looked too great. Now I'm just going to start bringing it in towards the corner of my eyes. Filling in any gaps that I have. Here I'm just going to start cleaning up that line, also thickening it in some areas. You will notice that my eyelashes are a little clumpy. This is because they have some eyelash glue in them from this horrible eyelash glue I've been using. I'm going to be having how to get eyelash glue out of your eyelashes video up soon, so make sure to stay tuned for that. I need to build up a little bit of eyelash glue in my eyelashes first though. Still perfecting that line. We are almost done though, ladies and gentlemen. Can't forget about you. Alright, so now that we are done with that, we're going to go in with my Becca Ultimate Complexion Cream Foundation. And I am just going to be fixing up that bottom line, making it look more perfect, crispy clean. Sorry if you keep hearing my phone go off. I also keep going to the corner. I'm really bad at keeping myself in perfect view of the camera. I will work on that, guys. Anyways, I'm just cleaning that up. Once I've cleaned that up, I'm going to go ahead and blend that in to my makeup. I realized after watching this video I didn't blend too well, but oh well. Check that liner. Looking pretty good. I wouldn't say it's the best I've ever done, but I still think that it looks pretty poppin'. Now I'm going to pop some eyelashes on. I already did the eyeliner on that side, obviously. Pop some mascara onto my lower lashes. Then we are just about done here. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. As usual, please hit that subscribe button if you want to see more of me. Thank you for watching.